Hello children, welcome back to online class, and in this video we would read new chapter of grammar, that is adjective. Adjective is a part of speech and there are 8 type of part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. So noun and pronoun have been taught by me, and in this video we would read adjective. What is adjective? As far as I know, you are familiar with this topic. So let us start this topic. An adjective modifies or gives more information about a noun or pronoun. What is an adjective? An adjective modifies or gives some more information about a noun or pronoun. Adjectives tells about the quality, quantity, number, order of noun that it describes. In a simple way, you can say that word that describe noun or pronoun is called adjective. The example is given here. Vijay is a boy. So in this word, there is no adjective. But look at the example number 2. Vijay is a good boy. So in this word, which word is a noun? Boy is here noun. Boy is here noun. And which word is tell more about the noun? That word is a good. So according to the definition, as I told you, a word that tells more about a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. And there are different type of adjective. The list of type of an adjective is given here: adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, interrogative, possessive, adjective of number, and demonstrative adjective. So what is the adjective of quality? What is the adjective of quality? An adjective of quality describe the quality of noun or pronoun. What is the adjective of quality? Adjective of quality describe the quality of noun or pronoun. And when you ask of what kind, you can easily get an answer. And which word you get answer, that is an adjective. Example is given here. I have a nice teddy. So in which word is noun here? Teddy is here noun. Teddy is here noun, children. And which word tell more about the teddy? That word is nice. So according to the definition, word that describe the quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. And when you have to get adjective of quality, so you can ask a simple question, ki which type of teddy is here, what kind of teddy is here. So answer is nice. Adjective of quantity, words that describe quantity of noun or pronoun. क्वांटिटी मीन्स जैसे होता है मात्रा. जिस भी वर्ड से हमें किसी भी नाउन और प्रोनाउन की मात्रा का बोध होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. लाइक अ वर्ड सम, लिटिल, a good deal of, a great deal of, a large amount of, a large quantity of, a lot of, a lots of, plenty of, a part of, half of. These are the examples of adjective of quantity. An example is given here. I have enough money. So when you have to find out the word adjective of quantity, so you can ask a question, how much. So you ask question, how much money you have, so you get answer enough. I have enough money. So enough is here adjective of quantity. Words some, little, more, these words are also called adjective of quantity. Adjective of number, words that describe exact number of noun or pronoun is called adjective of number. वो वर्ड जो क्या करते हैं, एग्जैक्ट नंबर किसी भी वस्तु या संख्या के का बोध कराते हैं, that is called adjective of number. like a 1, 2, 3, 4, these words are adjective of number. And there are two type of adjective of number. The first is definite adjective of number, and second is indefinite adjective of number. So example is given here. Shivani has 4 apples. So when you ask a question how many apples um, Shivani has, so you get the answer there are 4 apples. Shivani has 4 apples. So when you ask the question how many, whatever answer you get, that is the adjective of number. Now the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective are the words that point out a person, thing, or animal, like that, these, those, this. These words are called a demonstrative adjective. So this there is a demonstrative pronoun is also. So how do you differentiate ki this word is used as a demonstrative pronoun and that word is used as a demonstrative adjective? So children, it's a very simple to identify these words are used as a demonstrative adjective are a demonstrative pronoun. The first example is given here. This book is mine. So when there is given a demonstrative adjective words, so after demonstrative adjective words it takes a noun. जो भी demonstrative adjective words होते हैं वो अपने बाद क्या लेते हैं, तुरंत noun लेते हैं. So you can easily identify कि where is given a demonstrative words and after a demonstrative word there is given a noun. So you can easily say this word is used as a demonstrative of adjective. And look at the example number 2. This is my book. So in this example, when you look at this is used and after this there is no use of noun. So you can after this there is use of helping verb and after that there is use of noun. So children, it's a very simple to identify कि if there is given a demonstrative words having a noun, so that is used as a demonstrative adjective. If there is given demonstrative words and after demonstrative word there is no use of noun, so that is used as a demonstrative pronoun. Now the interrogative adjective. What is an interrogative adjective? WH words are used with noun to ask a question. Just like a WH words are used with a noun to ask a question, that is called interrogative adjective. So that question is arises in your mind ki there is also interrogative pronouns. So how do we differentiate ki that is which word is used as a interrogative adjective and which word is used as a interrogative pronoun? So children, it's a very simple to identify. If WH words are given there and WH words are having a noun, so that is used as a interrogative adjective. If there is given a WH word and after WH word there is no use of noun, that is used as a interrogative pronoun. List of WH words are given here. Who, whose, whom, which, what are used as a demonstrative adjective. Now the possessive adjective. What is a possessive adjective? Words that are used to show ownership. What is a possessive adjective? Possessive adjective are used to show ownership. जो possessive adjective होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, अपने स्वामित्व या मालिक का बोध कराने के लिए हम possessive adjective का यूज़ करते हैं. The words like my, our, her, their are the example of possessive adjectives. So you can again say that possessive word is used as a pronoun. So how do we differentiate? The same rules is applied to children. The first one example is there. The Joy left his bat at home. So when you look at his, after his this use of noun, so you can easily say that is used as a possessive adjective. But when you look at the example number 2, the bat next to the window is his. So here is his is used, but after his there is no use of noun. So you can say that is used as a possessive pronoun. So children, this all about the adjective. There is given a quick revision of type of adjective and with examples, so you can revise it and watch this video more than one time so you can get it what is an adjective and its type. So children, thank you, have a nice day.